Welcome to King's Kids Stories, where Bible stories, adventures, and faith come together.
Hello, friends. We found something amazing in God's Word today. It is God's special kit. It is also known as the Whole Armour of God. Let's learn about it from Ephesians chapter 6, verse 11 to 17. The first kit is truth, the belt of truth. Truth means saying what is true always. When we tell the truth, people can trust us, and telling the truth makes God happy. The second kit is the Breastplate of Righteousness. Righteousness means choosing to do what is right. When we obey God and make good choices, our hearts grow strong. Doing what's right makes God happy. The third kit is peace. Our feet must be fitted with the readiness of the gospel of peace. We can share God's love wherever we go, and God's peace helps our hearts feel safe.
The fourth kit is faith. Faith means trusting God even when we cannot see everything. When we trust God, He helps us be brave and strong. We can always believe that God is with us.
The fifth kit is salvation. Salvation means Jesus saves us because He loves us. When we believe in Jesus, we belong to God's family. Jesus is always with us and takes care of us. The sixth kit is the sword of the Spirit. The sword of the Spirit is God's Word, the Bible. When we read God's Word, it helps us know what is right. God's Word teaches us, guides us, and helps us grow strong.
Put on the whole armor of God. We stand strong in His power.
Now we have all of God's special kits: truth, righteousness, peace, faith, salvation, and the sword of the Spirit. When we put on the whole armor of God, He helps us stay strong every day. God is always with us.
God's special helper kit helps us every day. At home, at school, with our friends. Every day. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Remember to like and subscribe to King's Kids Story for more Bible lessons.